Hello, my name is Joanne Midhour, and this is my CS50 final project. It is called the Resin Crafter's Helper for other resin crafters, such as myself, to have a place to organize and keep all of their notes for their different projects that they do. And here we have a registration form which you can fill out to register for an account. I've already got a couple of test accounts registered, so we'll go into one of those. And on the welcome screen, you will see up to your 10 most recently added projects. Currently, I have 5 in here. We're going to go in and show all projects. And here you will see all the details. On the home page, you just see a little snapshot, just a couple of columns from the project, a couple of details. Here you will see all details from your project. And then we go over to add a new project. We'll just add a new project in here. We'll say test 6. And I'm just going to make this real simple. The only thing that is required is the project name. So we're just going to add an image and we'll add the resin brand and the resin type. And then we'll add a results image. So we'll go ahead and add a picture there. And we'll go ahead and add that project. Now, this does take a little bit of time. This app is live on Heroku, so you can actually go to this website and you would be able to register for an account and be able to use this application for yourself. And now you see test 6 is now on our list here at the top. And now we can also go over to view a project and we will view just one individual project. So let's go with test 2. We're going to take a look at that one. And you can see you got resin details over here. You got the image of the mold used, additives in case you added colors or glitters. And then you got time details, your temperature details, and then your results details, which I did include a results scale, which you can grade it on a scale of 1 through 5, which 1 is being absolute best. And you can include a picture of the results, any additional notes, comments, or suggestions on future iterations. You can go in here and you can edit a project. You just select any from the drop down menu. We'll go to test 5 and we'll just chain incredible solutions. We'll make it total boat. And then we'll go ahead and submit these changes. And now you see test 5 now says total boat. It was Incredible Solutions. You can also delete a project. Just keep in mind that once you delete a project that this is permanent. You cannot be undone. So now test 1 is no longer there. And then you can also go in, the final thing is you can edit your account, which this is where you can also change your password. So thank you very much for walking through a demonstration of my project with me. And you can log out right here. You have a wonderful day.